Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about home outdoor spaces. Outdoor spaces can be a great way to add value to your home, and they can also be a great place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. In this video I will show you how to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space for your home. Number 1 is about choosing the right materials. The first step is to choose the right materials for your outdoor space. You will need to consider the climate in your area as well as the style of your home. If you live in warm climate, you will need to choose materials that can withstand the heat and sun. If you live in a cold climate, you will need to choose materials that can withstand with the cold and snow. You will also need to consider the style of your home when choosing materials. If your home is modern, you may want to choose sleek modern materials. If your home is traditional, you may want to choose more traditional materials. Installing the perfect furniture. Once you have chosen the right material, it is time to start installing the furniture. This type of furniture you choose will depend on how you plan to choose your outdoor space. If you want a relaxing oasis, you may want to choose comfortable seating and a few tables. If you want a lively, entertaining space, you may want to choose more durable furniture that can withstand a lot of use. Adding plants and decorations. Once you have installed the furniture, it is time to add some plants and decorations. Plants can add a touch of life to your outdoor space and they can also help to improve the air quality. Decorations can add personality to your outdoor space and they can also help to make it more inviting. Creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space for your home is not as difficult as you may think. By following these tips, you can create a space that you will love spending time in. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.